How to log in Outlook in mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into your Outlook on mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to log into Outlook app on your mobile, it's very simple. Download the Outlook application, which is Microsoft Outlook. Your Microsoft Outlook account is just your Microsoft account. So after you download the app, you can go ahead and then open the Outlook application here. And once you've done that, here you can see add account or create new account, depending upon whatever else you prefer. You can tap the add account option. Now you can simply directly log in using a Google account, or you can simply enter the email address for your Microsoft account over here. So let me also just go ahead and then enter my Microsoft account, and then I'll tap on continue. And now after this, what I need to do is I just need to go ahead and then enter my password, and I'll be successfully signed in to Microsoft Outlook. This way you'll be able to log in to your Outlook on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.